garlic broccoli. Crisp, tasty, low-fat and ready in minutes. Boil water with salt and oil. Add broccoli. Cook 1 minute after water boils again. Make a garlic sauce. Mix salt, light soy sauce, chicken bouillon, starch and water well. Heat oil in another pan. Stir-fry minced garlic and red pepper shreds until fragrant. Pour in the sauce. Simmer on low heat until thickened. Add broccoli. Stir-fry quickly and evenly. Then serve. Simple and yummy. Crisp to the bite without a drop of deep frying. Even new cooks can nail this easily. Poke small holes in prepped chicken wings. Toss with ginger, green onions, Chinese rice wine, salt, 13 spice, light soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Mix well and marinate for at least 30 minutes. Mix flour and cornstarch with Sichuan pepper, salt, and baking soda for the dry coating. Beat an egg separately for dredging. Dip marinated wings in egg. Coat with the dry mix. Press gently. Shake off excess. Rest a few minutes. Put in the air fryer. Spray with oil. Cook at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Flip. Spray more oil. Cook 10 minutes more. Done. Crispy outside, juicy inside. Grab your air fryer and give it a try. Air fryer cabbage. So easy. Cut cabbage in half. Tear into irregular chunks. Toss with light soy sauce, oyster sauce, BBQ seasoning, cumin powder. Coat evenly. Air fry at 170 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes. Flip once midway. Sweet, crispy, delicious. Heat oil in a wok. Pour in beaten eggs. Stir fry quickly until golden and set. Stir fry chopped green onions and minced garlic until fragrant. Then add tomatoes. Stir fry over medium heat for 3 minutes until soft, mushy and juicy. Add a little water, seasoned with salt and sugar to taste. Return the eggs to the wok. Stir fry vigorously over high heat for 1 minute. Sprinkle with some chopped green onions and serve. Perfect with rice. You'll finish 2 bowls easily. Must try garlic shrimp. Juicy, easy, super tasty. Rinse the minced garlic well, drain off the water, add some red chili, then toss it with plenty of cooking oil. Air fry 180 degrees Celsius 10 minutes. Stir twice. Mix with salt, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, chicken powder, garlic sauce. Done. Soak vermicelli in warm water for 10 minutes, then lay it on a plate. Spread a layer of garlic sauce, arrange deveined shrimp, drizzle more sauce over each one. Bring water to a boil. Steam for 8 minutes. Top with scallions. Pour hot oil for big flavor. Glossy shrimp, rich garlic sauce, umami, vermicelli. Total crowd pleaser. Marinate chicken thighs with ginger, green onions, rice wine, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, and Sichuan peppercorn salt for 30 minutes. Air fry at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Flip and cook for another 10 minutes. Crispy outside, tender inside. Crisp, fresh lotus pond stir fry. So bright and tasty. Slice carrot on the diagonal into diamonds. Peel and devein fresh shrimp. Boil water with a pinch of salt and a little oil. Add lotus root, carrot, snow peas, then black fungus. Boil 1 minute. Drain and set aside. Heat oil in a wok. Stir fry ginger and green onion until fragrant. Add shrimp. Stir fry till pink. Toss in the blanched veggies, season with a pinch of salt, a little sugar and chicken bouillon. Drizzle cornstarch, slurry, stir fry quickly and it's done. Colorful and delicious.